Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Niara Alexis. I cover hair, makeup, and a little bit of luxury. And today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this hair on freshly blow-dried hair. So if you're interested in seeing everything that I use to achieve this hairstyle that I've been wearing this spring, then just keep watching. I am going to be linking below everything that I'm using, so all of the tools that I'm using. So I'm starting off with my hair blow dried. I just washed and conditioned it. One thing I highly recommend if you're relaxed or not relaxed is the Pantene Rescue Shots. I mentioned that to you guys on Instagram before. If you're not following me over there, make sure you are. But the Pantene Rescue Shots, no matter like what type of hair you have or how your hair is treated, work wonders. So I am going to break this video into two parts. First part is going to be me flattering my hair. It's probably going to go pretty quickly. The second part will be me installing the clip-in hair and wand curling my hair with that. So without further ado, we're going to stop talking. I'm going to turn on Scandal and we're going to get to doing my hair. So I'm done straightening my hair. Say what you want. Some people might be like, oh, it's overkill, you're killing your hair's already relaxed, whatever. This all does not look good on me with just blow-dried hair. I've tried it. I've always straightened my hair in some capacity when I do this particular style. These are my clips. This is what they look like out. I just took these out last night. These clip-ins are from Amazon. I do not pay a lot of money for clip-ins or like any type of weave. I do think this is one full set. Minus like my set came with like two little small clips. I do just want to show you guys the wand curler that I'm using really fast. The last time I did this type of video, you guys asked me and were so upset that I didn't have a specific like brand. I'll try to link some that are similar, but this is an old wand curler I got off of Amazon years and years ago. It had a bunch of different barrel attachments. This is the smallest one. I want to say this is like a half inch. No, I don't know. Not even a half inch. No, it's smaller than that. It's a small little barrel though. Like if you see, that's. And this thing only has two, like no form of measurement. It doesn't tell me how hot this wand curler gets. I have one and then two to make it hotter. I keep it at one because the one click up be pretty hot as is and burning me. do this like once every week and a half or so. I try to stretch it because I am straightening my hair and then curling it with a wine curler that I don't know how hot it's getting. I don't re-curl my hair or wine curl it at all between washes, and I do not take these clips out when I'm going to sleep. I keep them in because, as you can see, it's a process to put them in. And this flat twist, I find when I do this hairstyle, I always need like at least one of these. I think I might do one over here as well to just sort of like make sure, actually no, to make sure everything is blending as it should be. So let's see, let's take this down. I feel like this has had enough time to like sort of chill here. Yeah, so taking that out, so that permanent part that was there has kind of like relaxed a bit. When it comes to length, I believe I ordered either a 16 or 18 inch. I want to say it's 18, and I've cut these clip-ins to be a length that I like. The other thing that I did too to make sure that it blended out naturally is I did not cut at a blunt angle. I cut down to create natural layers in the clip-ins. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Everything will be linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.